Ever seen a class that tries to do everything? That's a God class, and it's one of the most common code smells in object-oriented programming. A God class is a class that has too many responsibilities or does too much. Instead of focusing on one well-defined purpose, it becomes a dumping ground for functionality. You'll recognize it by massive line counts, dozens of methods, and dependencies on almost every other part of your system. It knows too much and controls too much, like a deity managing every aspect of your application. The core problem: God classes violate the single responsibility principle. SRP states that a class should have only one reason to change. A God class has many reasons to change because it handles authentication, database access, business logic, validation, and more, all in one place. Every new feature means modifying this bloated central class. The consequences are severe. God classes are incredibly hard to understand because you need to grasp multiple domains at once. They're difficult to test since you can't isolate individual responsibilities. And they're a maintenance nightmare. Any change risks breaking unrelated functionality because everything is tightly coupled together. The solution is refactoring. Break the God class into smaller, focused classes, each with a single responsibility. Extract related methods into dedicated service classes, data access objects, or validators. The result is a cleaner architecture where each class does one thing well, making your code easier to understand, test, and maintain. Remember, God classes violate the single responsibility principle and should be refactored into smaller, focused components. Practice identifying code smells in your next interview preparation session. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.